In this video, we will see mesh analysis. Question: find voltage V for circuit shown in figure using mesh analysis. We have to find the value of this voltage by using mesh analysis. So let's solve this circuit. Solution: first of all, let's assume this is mesh number 1 with current I1 and this is mesh number 2 with current I2. According to the direction of this current, this will be positive here, negative here, positive here and negative here. Also, according to the direction of this current I2, this will be positive, negative, positive, negative, and this will be positive here and negative here. So let's write it. Now first of all, let's apply KVL to mesh number 1. So let's apply KVL to mesh 1. KVL stands for Kirchhoff's voltage law. So let's say we are starting from this point. So it will be minus 20, then plus 4 into I1, then plus 9. Now here we can see this 9 ohm is common in both I1 and I2, and we are currently solving for mesh number 1. So it will be I1 minus I2. So I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. So if we simplify this, it will be minus 20 plus 4I1 plus 9I1 minus 9I2 is equal to 0. Now let's simplify I1 terms first. So it will be 4 plus 9, it will be 13I1 minus 9I2. Now here this minus 20, if it goes on right side, so it will be plus 20. So is equal to 20. Let's assume this is equation number 1. Now similarly we will apply KVL to mesh number 2. So apply KVL to mesh number 2. Let's say again we are starting from this point. So it will be plus 9. Again this 9 ohm is common in both mesh 2 and mesh 1. Now this time we are solving for mesh number 2. So it will be 9 in bracket I2 minus I1. So I2 minus I1, then plus 32 I2, then plus 40 I2 is equal to, here the loop is completed, so it is equal to 0. Now let's simplify this. So it will be 9I2 minus 9I1 plus 32I2 plus 40I2 is equal to 0. Let's write I1 terms first. So it will be minus 9I1, then this will be 9 plus 32 plus 40. 9 plus 32 plus 40. So it is 81. So plus 81 I2, and it is equal to 0 because here there is no constant. Let's say this is equation number 2. Now we got two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2, we get the value of I1 and I2. So we get the value of I1 and I2. Let's solve this in calculator. So mod 5, then 1. So 13, then minus 9, then 20. From equation number 2, this will be minus 9, then 81, then 0. So the value of I1 is 1.66 ampere, and the value of I2, it is 0.185 ampere. Here for this question we have to find the value of this voltage V. So the value of voltage V is equal to resistance multiplied by current. The value of resistance is 40 ohm and the value of current is I2. So V is equal to 40 into I2. So therefore V is equal to 40 multiplied by 0.185. So it is 7.4 volt is the value for voltage V. So this is how we can find voltage by using mesh analysis. Thanks for watching. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel